Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I want to talk about my driveway alert system. This is something you can pick up off from Amazon. I believe even Harbor Freight sells these as well. You have your sensor that you would put out next to your driveway or your mailbox, and then you'd have your receiver that you'd put inside. I have this one inside my garage, and I got this one right outside the garage itself. And basically what it does is it alerts you if anybody drives up to the garage. It works really well. The reason that this one is discolored is because this one is in the sun, obviously, and the sun has discolored it quite a bit. There's not a whole lot to this. Basically what you want to do is on the back here you have a place where you can put a screw into the wall, and then it just kind of slides in and locks in. And on this one here you have a slot for two slots where you can put two screws into the wall, and then you can kind of mount it there. And the best way to do that, and I can demonstrate that, is basically you take a piece of paper, and all you want to do is just kind of work those in a little bit like that. And what that will do is it will kind of show you with the dirt on your hands basically where to put those two screws on the wall, and then you can just kind of set that right on there. So it works really easy. You just kind of turn it on like that, and as soon as it sees movement over here, it's going to start to go off. You kind of set that down like this, and you wait a little bit, and you kind of put your hand in front of it, and it will set off. It has about a 25-foot radius of detection on the sensor, and I believe it said like 300 feet on the receiver. But I have found that really this only got about 150 feet, especially if you're going through walls. Now, line of sight about 300 feet, but this is basically all you need. This takes three C batteries, and this takes one 9-volt battery, and that's basically all there is to it. So you can use this for your driveway alarm to alert you when you may have your mail next to your mailbox. So you can use it for a lot of different reasons, but my primary reason is to see if anybody's coming in the front of the garage for safety reasons. So well, I hope that helps you with your security system, or if you just want to use something to detect what's happening around your mailbox and so forth. And stay tuned for the next one.